Hello guys, welcome to my channel Make Choice, and today we are going to start our new series of HTML and CSS, HTML5 and CSS3 also. Here you will learn about that how you can make your websites very easily with the help of HTML and CSS. And after watching these all my lectures to create the website for you guys will be just a piece of cake. Just you have to do what you have to learn all my lectures, watch all my lectures and practice well, then creating the website is just a piece of cake for you. Now let's start. First of all, let me tell you about HTML and CSS. Here we are going to talk about the HTML and HTML5 and CSS and CSS3, right? Now, first of all, let me tell you that what is HTML? HTML mean hypertext markup language. So HTML is not a programming language. We use the HTML for creating our web pages, building blocks of the website. Building block of the website mean that how we can create the structure of the websites like blocks of the website, right? So once again, HTML is not a programming language, it's for creating the web pages. So do we need to know logical programming? No, at this level we do not need any programming languages because the programming languages are Java, PHP and .NET or etc. you can say, but HTML and CSS is not a programming language. So it means we cannot connect database with HTML because in the programming languages we can connect the database with the HTML like Java, PHP, .NET. In these languages or many more we can connect the database, but in HTML there is no dynamic functionality that we can connect the database with the HTML. To simplify these words, you can say that when we are going to make our website with the help of HTML and CSS, like we make our web pages with the help of HTML and CSS, so there is no concept that we can make any functionality like sign in, sign out, or API, or some payment gateway integration like PayPal or like this. We just can make the pages for sign in, sign out APIs or payment gateways integrations, but we cannot write the functionality in HTML if we are not using Java, PHP, or .NET. So what it mean? It doesn't mean that HTML is not important. It is a very important because you are going to create building blocks in it, right? Hope you are understand everything. Let me show you first. This was our last series work. We have created this website. This is the static 5 pages website with, and we have created this website with the help of table tag in HTML, right? And you can see it's looking very good website. So what I was telling you at there, let me show you first. This is the designing.html page, you can see, and on the blog page we have created registration form. You can see each and everything is may create in table tag. So here let me show you. I was saying you that it doesn't mean that HTML is not important. It is very important because you are going to create building blocks, right? These words. Now what is building block? Let me tell you that these are all the building blocks. Like first of all we make the building, we create the structures like this for the logo, advertisement, and this menu area. This was the ticker area, banner area. So first of all, we have to create the structure of all the website in the HTML or CSS, and then we can put the programming like this is the registration form. It is not working. First of all, we have to create the HTML and CSS for this registration form. Then we will put the functionality for submit or reset or where we want to save our data. If we are not going to make the HTML and CSS forms, then we are not able to save the data in the presentable form in our database. Hope you are understand everything. So that's why this is very important, HTML and CSS, right? Because it is used for creating the blogs. Now you can make the website with HTML and CSS without functionality. You do not need the browser. You just need the browser and editor. Let me tell you this thing also. Like I have told you before that here we do not have sign in and sign out functionality like this. We cannot save the data. We can write here anything, but we cannot save this thing anywhere, right? We can check this and we can browse anything we can do, but we cannot save this thing because this is creating in the HTML CSS. And if we are going to do this with the dynamic functionality, then we have to choose PHP or .NET. So that's why HTML and CSS very important for the websites. And the most important thing that I want to tell you that as this is the website, we have created this website in the table tag on, and on all the pages on these all for the 5 pages we have write the color for menu. For the logo we have put logo for all the pages, and for the new sticker we have write this new sticker on all the pages, banner code for all on all the pages. But when we are going to our work with the HTML and CSS, we just need one CSS file, and we do not need to change this color on all the pages, and we do not need to change the font style on all the pages. We will just put a one statement in the CSS, and the color will change for all the pages. Like that's why HTML and CSS is very convenient. Now let me tell you what we need. We need browser and editor. Now for this purpose we need these browsers: Firefox, Explorer, Chrome, or any other browser, Safari, like this. And for editor, there are many editors that we can use. We can use Notepad, we can use Notepad++, Dreamweaver, and Microsoft Studio Visual, like this. There are many editors that we can write our HTML and CSS in those editors. And we do not need any server or hosting for this purpose. And the most important thing, our file should be .html, right? Hope you are understand this thing what I'm saying to you. And let me tell you the tags for also that what tags we use. We use the head tags in HTML, and the closing head tag also in the HTML. We need body tag, and also we need title tag. We title tag in the head we can use, right? These are all the tags that we use in the table structure. Here the most important HTML tag with closing HTML tag. These three tags are very important, guys. These are very important, right? So let me tell you all the tags shortly. I cannot tell you all the tags, but I will tell you most famous and popular tags that we use in our websites. And we use the heading tag also. There are 6 level of headings: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. We use the paragraph tag. I will also explain all these tags when we are going to work. And we can also use the bold tag, right? The closing bold tag for bold the text. And yes, we can use italic I tag for italic lines, like I want my words should be italic, then I will use the I tag. And I can also use the strong tag, that is just for you can say strong the text, like bold. It also has the strong closing tag. And what are or yes, here also we can use the font tag, right? Here we will use also div, right? So div also closing tag. And there are some tags which has no closing tag, like one is the br, that is for the line break. And this one is like image tag, right? So, and the third one is hr tag, right? So one tag is used for the space, and that is nbsp for the space. These are the tags which are very rapidly used in the HTML and CSS, right? And let me tell you that we will also use these tags in the HTML. There are many more tags. We will use Dreamweaver, right? And in the next lecture I will tell you that how you can download Dreamweaver, and how we will start our HTML work. So this is all for today. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. And once again, if you like my video, please thumbs up my video, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with everyone, so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites. This is all for today. Thank you so much.